Hello, this is Alicia. Today I want to share about the reasons why SEO should be part of your digital marketing strategy. Number 1. Increased website traffic. SEO helps improve your website's overall visibility, driving more traffic to your website from users who have a need for your offering, resulting in more potential customers and increased revenue. Second, better user experience. SEO involves optimizing website structure, ensuring content is user-friendly and easy to navigate, resulting in an overall better user experience. Number 3. Increased brand awareness. Brand awareness will improve by appearing at the top of search engine result pages, as users are more likely to remember and recognize your brand. Number 4. Cost effectiveness. SEO is a cost-effective way to drive long-term traffic to your website and help diversify from only utilizing paid advertising. Number 5. Improved brand reputation. Credibility and authority on a topic will increase by appearing at the top or organic results, creating stronger impact onto audiences. Thanks for watching part 1 of the series. We will be sharing more SEO tips and latest update of SEO tech. Follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube. You can also get your 7-day free trial on our AI-powered SEO platform, Rankbot. Go to rankbot.io and sign up for it. Have a good day.